Hi, my name is Nada Hindi. I am an MBA student at RHU. I'm currently working for MEA as Traffic Services and Procedure Manager. It was a great opportunity joining RHU, learning from professional and experienced doctors and being surrounded by skilled and dedicated team. Studying MBA at RHU gave me the chance to apply knowledge in real-world scenarios and to enhance my career. I have learned to apply best practices to solve managerial issues, apply decision-making techniques by implementing qualitative and quantitative analysis, integrate theories and practice to perform strategic analysis for business development, identify and analyze ethical responsibilities of businesses. Are you ready to take the next step in your academic journey and eager to unlock new opportunities? Join RHU for a stronger connection to opportunities.